and welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've just got a quick video for you today just to explain a few sort of changes that have gone on. Changes but not changes. It's a little bit of reassurance as well as confirmation as to what's going on. So we have recently become a limited company which has its own name, and I do want to incorporate that name into both the YouTube side of things as well as the shop side of things. So there has been a couple of little changes. You may have noticed the beginning of this video was slightly different. The name of the YouTube channel has changed slightly, only to incorporate the name, and the end of the video will be a little bit different. Apart from that, there's a lot of things that are not changing, and there's a few things that are changing ever so slightly. So what will not be changing is I still will be doing the same type of videos that I've always been doing. We've just finished a mammoth June waffle, which was amazing. The December Advent will still be happening in December with hopefully a couple, a little surprise that's in the works for that. But it's all good things that are happening. I will still be uploading through the month of July. I'm still planning on uploading one video a day on this channel that will be my normal, usual sort of content. So a mixture of unboxings, preparations, de-kittings, whip and chats. So I'm hoping to have a whip and chat a week is my aim. And then going forward from there, come August, I will be launching a second YouTube channel. So it will not change. This one will still be here, but I will be launching a new one that's called Add More Zest with Diamonds. If you haven't guessed, Add More Zest is the company name. Might have been a good idea to say that. But yeah, I will pop a link to the upcoming YouTube channel down below. Please subscribe to that as well. I am primarily going to do mainly unboxings on that channel, though there may be a little bit of other stuff as well. And then on this main channel, it will be a few less unboxings. I've got a few ideas for new types of videos that I want to bring in as regular. It may not be an upload a day on this channel, but between this channel and the other one, I'm hoping to still have at least an upload a day, and there will be days you will find an upload on both. So in turn, you guys will get more videos out of the way I'm planning on working things, and hoping that everything will work out. In relation to the shop has changed to be Add More Zest. The 4Kids at 147 links that you may have will still work. They will still take you to the website. It all looks very much the same. There's just little things that have changed. So the logbook is now named Add More Zest logbook. The stickers, not that it ever went onto your storage, but it does have Add More Zest on the bottom. Some stock still has 4Kids at 147 on the bottom until it's sold through, but the logbooks are now all Add More Zest. And then the other difference is the trays are now branded with Add More Zest. They are the same trays, it's exactly the same design, it's just got the Add More Zest in the end instead of the 4Kids. There will be more colours of these coming soon. There will also be some new exciting things coming soon. That's about all you're getting, a sneak peek of that. It will be coming over the next few days. We have a Facebook page and an Instagram where we will let you know of any sort of upcoming products, hopefully give you some sneak peeks. But I do want to assure you that the channel, the YouTube, the videos I bring to you, apart from a different intro and a different outro, if that's the word, are still going to be the same sort of content. There's just subtle little changes you'll see, but it's still me. It's still the same interesting / boring / whatever you want to call it. It's the same sort of videos that I will be posting up for you guys. I do still have my customs on the go, so I will have a custom comparison, and I say I'm hoping to do a few more little mini series and little mini videos to help you all out on your diamond painting journey in any which way that we can. But if you do have any questions, please do ask them down below in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. There's been a lot of stuff happening in the background for exciting projects that I want to be able to bring to you all. I will pop the links down below for the Facebook and the Instagram if you want to follow those, so you get the latest updates. The Facebook group is still named the same. It's still 4Kids at 147 Diamond Painting Chat. I say, it's sort of things you may not have even particularly been aware of what's happening. There's no drastic changes, but there is definitely exciting things to come, and this is just the start. So I hope you'll join me in embracing the new-ish name of Add More Zest, but 4Kids at 147 is still here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.